Recently, the Justice Department reached a $13 million settlement with a New Jersey mortgage lender for discriminating against communities of color in New Jersey. Applicants were denied loans for housing in certain neighborhoods, even though they were eligible.
Experts say the discriminatory practice known as redlining is something some minorities have faced when seeking loans. CBS News' Zinnia Maldonado explains how to know whether prejudice is affecting your housing search.
Whether you're seeking a loan to purchase a home or kickstart your small business, it can be a lengthy process to get approved by big banks. And if you get declined, experts say it could be for an array of reasons.
Is because of credit scores or money in reserves or debt to income ratio. But you also have to wonder, is there something else going on at the end of the day?
But research shows both Black and Hispanic candidates have a higher chance of being denied for a loan.
And the data, unfortunately, is that even for successful home buyers who end up purchasing a home, we saw that the denial rate is higher for Black individuals and Hispanic individuals who secure a loan. And their denial rate is 7% compared to white individuals who are recent home buyers at 4%.
David Trout is a law professor at Rutgers University and studies discriminatory lending. He says it's important to press lenders on why you're being denied.
You should ask detailed questions. Make sure you get the name of the loan officer that you're speaking to. Make sure that all the terms are stated up front, and make sure that they slow down and help you to understand exactly what's going on, what the risks are, how you're being evaluated.
Late last month, the Justice Department reached a $13 million settlement with New Jersey mortgage lender Lakeland Bank for redlining minority neighborhoods in the Newark area. Trout calls the outcome a big win, but surprising, because many minorities don't move forward filing complaints after being denied, even though it's a move, he says, can lead to change.
People have to know what's happening to people. And then that way, we're able to activate enforcement the way we saw in the Lakeland case.
Joe Sky Tucker is the CEO of a company that helps individuals who've been denied for loans. He says the ability to know if you're being racially discriminated against is the crux of the issue.
How does a Black or brown candidate know that they're being declined from the bank for the right appropriate reasons or for the wrong reasons, and they should move forward filing a complaint?
It's often hard to prove out that the decision was made based on a racially motivated or type of decision. Unfortunately, a lot of the burden falls to you, the consumer, to follow up on these things, to look for systemic issues.
Experts say despite many federal and state regulations placed on banks to treat all who walk through the door fairly, oftentimes individual cases can fall through the cracks.
Redlining is bad banking and it's bad for consumers, but it's much worse for the country because it continues trends that we really have to outgrow and stamp out.
Zinnia Maldonado, CBS 2 News.